It's hazy, it's hot, it's humid outside. It's one of those days where if you do plan on being outdoors, either earning a living outdoors, you have the kids at camp, you want to make sure that they have loose, light-colored clothing on, plenty of liquids to drink, make sure your pets have a cool place to go and some fresh water. Live city cam, it's hazy out there right now with high clouds streaming overhead. We're filtering out some of the sunshine, still able to warm us up into the low and mid 80s right now. In Providence, it's already 86 degrees, winds breezy from the west-southwest at about 12 miles an hour, and the humidity is running at about 57%. And as you add in the humidity along with these temperatures, the heat index now is near 90, 91 in many areas. Even Newport Harbor has climbed up above 80 degrees now at 81. You can see the hazy skies there. Plenty of people out on our local waters. The radar's quiet. We had a couple of sprinkles that tried to pass through here in the earlier morning hours, along with a little batch of clouds. As those have passed through, our threat of any showers has diminished. And in fact, I think it's areas to our north, outside of Rhode Island, even Bristol County, that'll be most at risk of seeing thunderstorms. So basically from the Boston suburbs west into Worcester, Springfield, and Hartford for this afternoon. And even in those locations, it's a smaller threat than what we had yesterday for at least widespread showers and storms. Our temperatures and our dew point combine to make it uncomfortable out there. Anytime the dew point's over 60 degrees, we consider that noticeable in terms of measuring how comfortable the air is based on the moisture. So when you get up to 69, 70 degrees, you're up in that oppressive category. And we stay there, very high humidity for the daytime tomorrow, and then it'll start to drop a bit on Thursday as a cold front moves through. When you take a look at the satellite and radar, you can see just some clouds, so there will be watching for some scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop up to our north and west. The area that's most at risk of seeing some severe storms today is actually over New York and Pennsylvania, and this area is shaded in red. And we're going to keep an eye on any storms that develop in this red zone, because by the time we head into the overnight hours tonight, we could get a weakened version of some of those moving through. So our future cast actually shows that activity developing, but has it drying out before it reaches us, much like what happened to most of the storms yesterday. So this is 4:30 in the afternoon, just some isolated showers and storms, but they do have the potential to be strong or severe. This would be that line of severe weather that I was talking about over Pennsylvania and New York. And notice it makes its way into western New England, but by the time it reaches us in the overnight hours, the majority of it has dried up. Overnight then and into your Wednesday, as that front gets closer to us, we'll bring in a chance for a shower or thunderstorm, mostly in the late afternoon, evening, and overnight on Wednesday. This should be pushing offshore by early Thursday morning. So for the rest of today, near 90 degrees, hot and humid, 71 overnight tonight. Just an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Another hot one tomorrow, 89 again. Muggy with an isolated shower or thunderstorm. We have outdoor plans for tomorrow. I wouldn't cancel them, but there is the risk for a shower or storm. Windy and hazy at the beaches today. There is a elevated risk for rip currents. So if you go in the waters, you do need to be careful. Visibility on the bay, southwest 10 to 20 knots, those waves around 2 feet. Here's your 7-day future cast. I think the pick of the work week weather-wise is probably going to be Friday. A combination of slightly cooler temperatures as well as lower humidity should make for a nice day with sunshine. The weekend looks good overall, despite an isolated storm possible late in the weekend.
All right, thanks, Michelle. Here's a look at what we're working on for Eyewitness News beginning